Welcome to ABC Zoo Fun Animal Lessons. Did you know? The tiny ant is considered a strong man in the insect world. It can lift objects that are more than 50 times its own body weight. Isn't that fascinating? Let's start learning more about insects and the interesting things about them. Today we're diving into the amazing world of insects. Did you know that insects make up over half of all known living organisms on Earth? They play crucial roles in ecosystems, such as pollinating plants, decomposing organic matter, and serving as food for other animals. But what's most fascinating is their unique body parts that allow them to thrive in almost every environment on the planet. Segment on body parts. Let's explore the insect body. Insects have a head, thorax, and abdomen, each with specific functions. On their head, insects have antennae that help them sense their environment by detecting smells, sounds, and even temperature. Their compound eyes are made up of thousands of tiny lenses, allowing them to see in almost all directions at once. Mandibles or jaws are used for eating, whether they're chewing leaves, grinding food, or even biting predators. Insects also have 6 legs attached to the thorax for walking, jumping, or climbing, and many insects have wings that enable them to fly, making them the only invertebrates capable of true flight. Some insects even have stingers or venom for defense. Function. Explanation. Each of these body parts plays a special role in the survival of insects. Antennae are like a super sense organ, allowing insects to feel their surroundings and find food or mates. Compound eyes offer almost 360-degree vision, perfect for spotting predators or prey. Wings, found in many insects like butterflies and bees, are crucial for traveling long distances, finding food, or escaping danger quickly. And those sharp mandibles? They're perfect tools for eating anything from plants to other insects. Lifecycle of silk moth. Insects go through some of the most incredible transformations in the animal kingdom. Let's look at the life cycle of a silk moth. It all begins with a tiny egg. From the egg hatches a larva, commonly known as a caterpillar, which spends its time eating and growing. Once it's ready, it enters the pupa stage, where it wraps itself in a silk cocoon. Inside, a miraculous transformation occurs, turning the caterpillar into an adult moth. This process is called metamorphosis, and it's one of nature's most amazing changes, showing how insects can completely alter their form and function in their lifetime. Insects as food. Did you know that in some parts of the world, insects are considered a tasty and nutritious snack? Insects like crickets, grasshoppers, and mealworms are packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals. They're easy to farm and have a much smaller environmental footprint compared to traditional livestock. Insect farming is not just a trend, it's a sustainable solution that could help feed the growing global population. Insect farms. Insect farming is a rapidly growing industry. It's sustainable, eco-friendly, and good for the planet. Imagine eating cricket protein bars or enjoying a bowl of mealworm stir-fry. These farms can produce insects using less land, water, and feed than traditional animal farming, making it a greener choice. Not only are insects easy to farm, but they can also be used to make a variety of products like flour, snacks, and even pet food. Edible insect dishes. There are many creative ways to cook insects. From fried crickets and insect tacos to chocolate-covered ants and mealworm cookies, insects can be prepared in numerous delicious and innovative dishes. These foods are not only tasty but also provide a sustainable source of nutrients. Some chefs around the world are even turning insects into gourmet meals, showcasing their versatility and potential as a future food source. Harmful insects. Not all insects are friendly, though. Some can cause significant harm. Locusts, for example, can form massive swarms that devour crops, threatening food supplies in many parts of the world. Mosquitoes are another notorious group, known for spreading diseases like malaria, dengue, and Zika virus. Even ants and termites can cause damage to homes and buildings. While insects play vital roles in ecosystems, some can pose challenges to humans and agriculture. Poisonous insects. Beware of poisonous insects like the assassin bug, which can deliver a painful bite, or certain species of wasps that can sting multiple times. Some beetles, like the blister beetle, produce chemicals that can irritate the skin or be toxic if ingested. Insects use venom and toxins for defense or to subdue their prey, making them formidable despite their small size. Always be cautious around unfamiliar insects. Insect habitats. Insects are incredibly adaptable and can be found in nearly every habitat on Earth, from the scorching deserts to the lush rainforests, and even underwater or in Arctic conditions. Insects have evolved to survive in some of the most extreme environments. They've developed unique adaptations like water-repellent wings, heat-resistant bodies, or the ability to hibernate during cold seasons, making them one of the most versatile groups of animals on the planet. Smallest and largest insects. Did you know that the smallest insect in the world is the fairy fly, which is so tiny it's nearly invisible to the naked eye? On the other end of the spectrum is the Titanus giganteus beetle, one of the largest insects, which can grow up to 6.5 inches long. The diversity in size among insects is astounding, showing just how varied and specialized they can be. Fun facts. Insects are some of the strongest creatures relative to their size. For example, ants can carry objects up to 50 times their body weight, which is like a human lifting a car. Beetles are the most diverse group of insects, with over 400,000 species known, and they come in an astonishing array of shapes, sizes, and colors. From dung beetles that recycle waste to fireflies that light up the night. Insects truly are some of the most fascinating creatures on Earth. More fun facts. Did you know that some butterflies can taste with their feet? Or that dragonflies are some of the fastest insects, capable of flying up to 35 miles per hour? Beetles alone make up nearly 25% of all known life forms, making them the most diverse group of animals. And while we often think of bees as the main pollinators, there are many other insects like moths, flies, and even beetles that help plants reproduce by spreading pollen. Now, let's test your knowledge. What insect has compound eyes and can lift 50 times its body weight? That's right, it's the ant. Ants are incredibly strong for their size, and their compound eyes help them see their surroundings clearly, making them excellent builders and foragers. Thanks for watching ABC Zoo Fun Animal Lessons. We hope you enjoyed exploring the amazing world of insects. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join us next time for more fun animal facts and lessons. See you soon!